So now we're going to have our pepper, and we want to make sure we keep this stalk intact. So what we're going to do, because it's going to lay on its side like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this part, top part off. So let's do that real quick. Just like that. We can save this. And then we're going to get rid of the useless parts of it right here. That's why I have this plate here. And we're just going to take all the stuff out that we're not going to use. We're going to, all the seeds and everything. And you may have to cut around part of it. Ow. And just to make it hollow, right here. And notice how that's hollow? So let's get the rest of the seeds out. And that's perfect. And we're going to take this and put this with the tomatoes. And just to make it hollow, right here. And notice how that's hollow? So let's get the rest of the seeds out. And that's perfect. And we're going to take this and put this with the tomatoes. Now we're going to do the same thing with the yellow pepper. We're going to make sure we keep the stalk, and we're going to half it. So we're going to take half of this off. So let's do that right now real quick. Just cut right down here. And we'll keep that, because you never know what you can use this for, for other meals. And we're going to get rid of this stuff in here so it's kind of hollow like that. So let's do that real quick. That's why we have this waste plate right here. All right, get the seeds out. And there you have it. And this is going to be for our filling.